Hello, and welcome to another one of Sporty's product PIREP videos. Today, we're trying out the FARO Stealth Audio Link. The FARO Stealth Audio Link provides an inexpensive way to get audio into my headset. It has Bluetooth as well as an aux input on the side, so I can use a 3.5 cable or just Bluetooth to my iPad or my iPhone. Now, many people think Bluetooth is just for music. It's much more than just that. Most of the apps out there today, ForeFlight, Garmin Pilot, FlyQ, all have the ability to do audio alerts. So as I'm flying around and there's traffic out there, or terrain warnings, runway identifiers, I can get a lot more than just music through the audio link. On the front of the audio link, you have dual volume control knobs, and this is good for us guys that have hard hearing in one ear versus the other, so I can crank up the volume on my right ear, which is hard to hear, and leave the left ear at a normal level. There's a power button, and there's a Bluetooth button. That's what you use to pair and turn the Bluetooth on and off. Underneath that is a priority switch. And this is where some of the little magic happens. You have an airplane symbol, a music note, and then a speaker with a slash through it. So this priority means when the switch is all the way up, the airplane has priority. If the intercom comes on, if I'm talking, if ATC is talking, it's going to mute whatever source of audio I have coming in. This is good if you're on a cross country and you have music going, and you want to make sure you get all those transmissions from ATC. The next one down is the music notes. So when that's on, that means my input device, whether it's music or alerts, has priority. And this is perfect when you're using ForeFlight alerts or Garmin alerts. No matter what's happening in the cockpit, if I'm talking, if my co-pilot is talking, even ATC, I'm still going to hear the alert at the same time as ATC. The last and final one is the mute button. So if you're going along and you need that sterile cockpit, you just flip it all the way down and it will mute all the alerts or music coming from your audio device. On the side of the audio link is a volume button for your Bluetooth source, so I can turn the volume up and down without having to touch my iPad or iPhone if it's in a side pocket. And then we also have a Type-C USB power port on the side. This means I can use a backup battery brick to power it, or a cigarette lighter, or anything that has a USB power port on it. You just plug the Type-C in the side here, and you don't have to worry about the two AA batteries in the back. The FARO Stealth Audio Link is an inexpensive way to get Bluetooth into your headset. At only $140, you can take an older David Clark or maybe even a Bose 10 headset and add Bluetooth connectivity. Bluetooth headsets can cost anywhere from $500 up to $1,100. So to have that capability without spending that much money is a great way for student pilots to keep their headsets up to date. Please subscribe to us here on YouTube and like us on Facebook. And the FARO Stealth Audio Link is available on Sportys.com.